Hello everybody, Realtor Dan here. I'm at a open house in Pickford Street, 4810 Pickford Street in what is known as Mid-City LA, and just giving you a quick house tour. Check it out and tell me how you like it. Okay. See you soon. Alright, from the front gate, this is a view of the house. And they have a cute little garden, landscape. Native plants to LA, Southern California area. And then here's the front door. The living room with the gas furnace. Fireplace functioning. Here's the kitchen, living room, kitchen, living room, kitchen. Really close to each other. Very convenient. Alright, so here's the garage. 2-car garage. Nothing fancy. Garage door opener, automatic opener, present. Very important. Let's start off with the master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom with an attached full bathroom. Very nice. And a closet that is quite large, if you ask me. If you are a fashionista, maybe this is not that large. But for the average human being, I think that's quite big. That is the largest room in the house, by the way. And this closet is bedroom number 2, which is about half the size of the first bedroom. Granted, the first bedroom is not a walk-in closet, but it's still pretty big in terms of the amount of clothes that you can hang. It is the final bedroom for the first unit, which is actually the first building, but this is technically one unit. All right, here's another closet, about half the size as well, and attached to the bedroom is access to the backyard. Here, real quick, final bathroom for the first building, the front building. It's got kind of a rustic feel to it, slight rustic feel to it. Okay, all right, let's go to the backyard. The backyard is very small. It's like a miniature courtyard, actually. With a little tree. I believe this is an orange tree. So this is a back unit, which served before possibly as a back house, a guest house, or a workspace, possibly a back garage. So here's the first thing you see, which is the living room. It will function as a living room, and immediately to the right is a kitchen. Pretty decent kitchen. It's not tiny by any sense of the imagination, but it's not big either. So a small family could totally live here. This is the first bedroom. And attached to this bedroom is kind of like a suite where one bedroom where 2 bedrooms would share one bathroom. This is the bathroom that is shared in the back unit, one bathroom. And then attached to the second bedroom, which in turn is attached to the kitchen. Very cute little, quaint little back unit. And once again, this is technically not a unit. It's a one-unit single-family dwelling, but they converted the back workspace or guest house into another dwelling place. So essentially what they could do is live in the front unit, and rent out the back unit. This was something that we call house hacking in the real estate world. And what house hacking is that when the one family either rents out a room, or what would be better known as maybe like one unit in the back, or a guest house in the back, while they dwell in the front unit, and they would produce a little bit more income to kind of help out offset the payment for the mortgage. And a lot of people get their start in real estate by house hacking. So if you have a little bit of extra space that you could do like an Airbnb, that you could rent out to a college student, or just someone who doesn't need that much space, or a small family who wants to rent out like a backyard unit, why don't you think about it? It's something that my mom did a long time ago, and that's how I got my start in real estate. So I guess that's it for today. Thank you for joining me for House Tours, Pickford, LA version, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for joining me. Realtor Dan signing off. Bye.